If you're completely new to ChatGPT, don't worry. In this beginner-friendly guide, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT step by step, explain the basics, and share a few simple tips that will help you get better answers right away. So let's dive in. First, open the ChatGPT website or mobile app. Sign in with your existing account or create a free account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at the main chat screen. To begin, click the New Chat button. This opens a fresh conversation where you can ask anything you want. Every new chat helps keep your questions organized and easy to find later. Now click inside the message box and type your question. Try to be as clear and specific as possible. Instead of asking, "Tell me about travel," you could ask, "Create a 3-day travel plan for Tokyo on a budget." Clear prompts usually lead to better responses. One of the best things about ChatGPT is that you can ask follow-up questions. If you want a shorter answer, more details, a different writing style, or another example, simply continue the conversation instead of starting over. ChatGPT can help with many everyday tasks. You can ask it to explain difficult topics, write emails, summarize documents, brainstorm ideas, practice a language, solve coding problems, or help you study for exams. If your account includes file or image support, you can upload documents, photos, or screenshots and ask ChatGPT to analyze or explain them. This can save time when working with reports, homework, or visual information. The more you use ChatGPT, the better your results will become. Experiment with different prompts, provide extra details when needed, and don't hesitate to ask ChatGPT to revise or improve its answers until they match what you're looking for. And that's everything you need to get started with ChatGPT as a beginner. With just a little practice, you'll be able to use it for learning, work, creativity, and everyday tasks with confidence. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and thanks for watching.